friends, I'm Mrs. B and today Jaden is joining me. Together we are going to introduce Magic Feet Feels the Beat. I'm going to show all of you the magic of a beat. Just watch carefully what magic this is.
Mrs. B, I don't know what is wrong with my feet. They just keep walking with the beat.
Well, try to stop them then. Stop. I tell you what, let's try this again. Should we?
Okay.
Okay, cool. Let's go.
No matter what I try, I just can't stop.
Really? Well, I told you, steady beat does the magic to your feet. Do you know what you were doing?
Not really.
You were walking to the beat of the drum. The drum indicated the rhythm for you. In musical terms, we call this first rhythm ta.
Oh, do you mean like when I was a baby and wanted something from my mommy, I would say ta?
Almost something like that. If you want to clap the rhythm ta, you can do so. And you can count in once like this. Ta, 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 ta. Would you like to try that?
Yes.
Let me see.
Ta, 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 ta.
That looks pretty good. I think maybe you should try and walk and clap. Can you do that?
Yes.
Let's see.
Ta, 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 ta.
Let me help you. Are you ready? And ta, 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 ta. Let's do it again. Ta, 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 ta. All this walking makes me very tired and I think I'm going to sit down for a while and then Jaden is going to help me to show you what the ta note looks like. It almost looks like the letter D and it is totally shaded. Now Jaden, tell me, what is this part called?
The head of the note.
The head of the note, and this part is
The stem of the
the
note.
stem of the note. Now in your workbooks, children, you will see that you have notes that aren't shaded. Please take a minute and shade them now. Did you know that there is a special way we clap when clapping in music? Did you know that, Jaden?
No, I did not. But is it like this?
Oh golly, no, that is almost like clapping for a concert. When you clap in music, you take your left hand and 2 fingers of your right hand and gently tap, 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 tap. Everyone, let's try this. Put your left hands out. Jaden's helping us. Take 2 fingers of your right hand and tap, 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 tap.
Oh wow, this is easy. I take my left hand out, take 2 fingers of my right hand and tap, 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 tap.
Well done. You're doing a perfect job. Now, please look at the ta notes in your book. You should say and clap it. Here we go. Ta, 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 ta. Well done. Let's do it once more and ta, 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 ta.
Mrs. B, can one play this rhythm on a recorder?
Of course you can. After all, this is a recorder lesson. You can do this by blowing simple toot, 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 toot sound on the recorder like we've practiced last time. Would you like to practice and I'll get my desk hand to join you?
Sure.
Well done. I can see that you've practiced. Now viewers, you need to take your hair joints off your recorder very slowly, twist it gently and with some gentleness under your arm, and then you have your head joint ready. Jaden and I will play, and the next time round I'll count you in and then you play with us. Right, Jaden, are you ready? And let's sit nicely. 1, 2, 3, and well done. Viewers, can you join us? 1, 2, 3, and well done. Now remember, for homework, I would like you to practice playing tar rhythms on your recorder. See you soon. Ta-ta.